Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Vibes. Our focus is on helping you achieve fluency in speaking English through a unique approach called the natural practice method. This method combines listening and reading while also explaining and using the most important words in different contexts in every lesson. Today, we'll explore a short article titled The Right Way to Learn New Skills.
Let's listen to the text, and when we finish listening, we will explain the most important words in the article and use them in different contexts.
The right way to learn new skills. In today's dynamic world, the ability to acquire new skills efficiently is more than just useful. It is indispensable. Many individuals mistakenly believe that raw talent alone determines success. Yet true mastery emerges from deliberate practice and structured reflection. To progress meaningfully, one must embrace a methodical approach, setting clear objectives and consistently measuring outcomes. Equally important is cultivating a disciplined mindset. Without persistence, even the most gifted learners falter. Research highlights the power of iterative learning, where mistakes are not failures, but rather stepping stones to refinement. A learner who views challenges as opportunities will inevitably develop resilience and adaptability. Another crucial factor is immersive engagement. Superficial exposure rarely leads to proficiency. Instead, surrounding oneself with relevant resources and communities creates an environment where learning becomes second nature. This process often demands cognitive effort, pushing the mind beyond comfort into productive struggle. Lastly, learners should adopt a reflective stance, consistently assessing progress and recalibrating methods. By combining persistence, strategy, and self-awareness, anyone can unlock their potential and achieve transformative growth.
Welcome back.
Okay, so that was the article. Some really useful ideas in there for learning.
Definitely, and some great vocabulary, too. Okay, now diving into the article's words. The first one that jumps out is indispensable. That sounds like a big word. What does it mean in this context?
It does sound big, but it just means something is extremely important. Essential, like you really, really get it. You cannot manage without it.
Okay, essential. Like water is indispensable for life.
Yeah.
Can't live without water.
Perfect example. Or for me, maybe my phone is indispensable for my work. I use it all the time. Couldn't do my job without it.
Right, something you absolutely need. Okay. Next, the article talks about a methodical approach. How can we define methodical?
Methodical? It means doing something carefully, following a specific plan or steps in order, not just randomly.
So being organized about it. Like she cleans the kitchen in a methodical way, starting with the sink, then the counters.
Exactly, step by step. Or another example, to bake bread, you must follow the steps in a methodical order. Mix this, then add that.
Right, you can't just throw everything in together. You need a method.
Precisely, a methodical approach.
Okay, next up, iterative. The article suggests this is key to improving. What's iterative?
Iterative. Yeah, this is important for learning. It means doing something again and again, repeating a process, but making it a little better each time, like a cycle.
Repeating to improve. So like writing a story is an iterative process. You write a draft, then you edit it, maybe write some parts again.
That's a great example. It's a cycle of improvement. Or think about playing a game. Maybe in the game, you try an iterative strategy to win the next round. Try something, see if it works, change it slightly, try again.
Learn from mistakes and try again slightly differently. Got it. Then there's immersive. The article suggests immersive engagement. What does immersive mean?
Immersive. It means like completely surrounding yourself with something. So you're totally focused on it, deep inside it.
Like diving deep into something. For example, I took an immersive Spanish course where everyone spoke only Spanish all day long.
Exactly. You were surrounded by Spanish. Or maybe a bit simpler, wearing noise-canceling headphones creates an immersive, quiet environment for studying. It helps you focus completely.
Cuts out distractions. Okay, makes sense. How about cognitive? The phrase used is cognitive effort. What part of us is cognitive?
Cognitive, this refers to your brain. Things related to thinking, learning, remembering, mental stuff.
So cognitive effort is like brain effort,
Yeah.
mental work.
Yes, mental work. Like solving this puzzle required a lot of cognitive effort. I had to think really hard.
Okay. Or sleep is important for strong cognitive function. Good sleep helps your brain work well.
Perfect. It's all about the brain and thinking.
Next, the article advises adopting a reflective stance. How do we use reflective?
Reflective. This means thinking deeply, usually about yourself, about your experiences, what you did, how you're doing, looking back and thinking.
Thinking about your actions and progress. So after the test, the student was reflective about what mistakes they made. They thought about it seriously.
Exactly. Or maybe every night I write in my journal to be reflective about my day, thinking about what happened, what I learned.
Taking time to think back. Okay, and that leads to the next word, maybe. When we are reflective, the article says we might need to start recalibrating. What does that mean?
Recalibrating. Yeah, it often follows reflection. It means adjusting or changing your methods or plans if they aren't working well, fixing your approach.
So you reflect, see a problem, then you recalibrate, you adjust. Like the chef needed to start recalibrating the recipe after the first attempt failed. It didn't taste right, so he adjusted it.
Good one. Or if a goal is too hard, maybe we must start recalibrating our schedule to find more time, or maybe make the goal a bit smaller for now, adjusting the plan.
Fixing or adjusting the plan based on feedback or reflection.
Exactly.
And finally, the big goal mentioned is transformative growth. What does transformative mean? Sounds like a big change.
It is. Transformative means causing a major, really important change, a complete change almost. Something becomes very different.
A really big, significant change. Okay, like learning a new language can be a transformative experience. It can change how you see the world.
Definitely. Or think about technology. The internet has had a transformative effect on communication. How we talk to each other is completely different now.
Wow, okay, so that's a powerful outcome. Indispensable skills leading to transformative growth through a methodical, iterative, immersive, cognitive, and reflective process that includes recalibrating.
You got it. That's the journey the article describes.
Okay, great. Now, for everyone listening, to truly master this vocabulary using the natural practice method, you need to repeat this lesson, this explanation, at least 3 times a week.
Yes, that repetition is really key. Reviewing helps move these words from your short-term memory, just hearing them now, into your long-term memory so you can actually use them.
Right.
And repetition also helps you recognize the words instantly when you hear or read them. That's super important for fluency. Plus, it helps you apply what we learned about discipline and persistence from the text itself.
Absolutely.
Keep learning, and we hope you'll join us again soon here on English Vibes.